So I'm not going to waste any time right now. I'm just going to go straight into it. There it is right there, $320 instantly in the PayPal account. So this is one of those videos that I'm just going to jump right into it. No long delay, no anything. As you can see, get paid to shop, you get to promote, and you get paid fast. And if you got a PayPal account, that's where the money is going to go directly into your PayPal account. So this is how you can earn instant cash, instant money right away. Now, the first thing that you need to do, you need to go over and you need to sign up for an account over here in at Instagram. So that is step number one. So step one, you're gonna sign up for Instagram, and as you can see that I'm already start showing, and this is all woodwork material, and there's a lot of information. So make sure you keep watching this video all the way to the end, right? So as I said to you before, $320 in your PayPal account. So make sure you have a PayPal account. And I know how much you guys love PayPal. So if you haven't liked or subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you go here and click that notification bell. Subscribe to the channel so every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. So after you sign up for an Instagram account, which is absolutely free, now what we're going to be doing, we're going to be searching for some woodworking materials. So if you type in woodwork, right here, you'll see that there's a lot of different Instagram accounts that is here that you can reuse and you can upload. So this is not about finding clickbang products and all that stuff. I'm going to show you this particular website that you don't have to go through a long, extensive approval process in order for you to make money. So this particular Instagram account has over 38,000 people that's following it. And if you can see that they have some videos, they got some pictures, they have everything lined up for them. And this page right now is bringing in a lot of traffic. They're bringing in a lot of customers. And if you look up here, you could see that they already placed a Weebly affiliate link. And if we go check it out, we can see it's going to take us straight to a particular page. Look at this right here. And this is going to an affiliate offer. If I click on this, I can tell you right now, it's going straight to an affiliate offer. There it is. It goes straight to an affiliate offer. And once they sign up, once a customer sign up, guess what? This company or this particular website or the people behind it is going to be making money. So as I said, step number one, you're going to create an Instagram account. And step number two. So step two, what you're going to be doing, you're going to be heading over here to yazing.com. So yazing.com, all you have to do is just come on here. You could get paid. You could get paid for every purchase that you make online or influence online. So if you make a purchase, you can get paid. And if somebody buys through your referral link, you're also going to be getting paid. So as I said to you, you get paid to shop, you can get paid to promote, or you're going to get money fast into your PayPal account. So no hassle or anything. You click on where it says join now. You can choose your username, put your email, create a password. Make sure you create a password that you can remember. And all you have to do is just click on register. Now, if you want to just go and register with your Facebook account, you could do that also. As always, recommended, make sure you check out the terms and the privacy, and you can make sure you do that before you sign up. So once you do that, now the next thing that you want to do, you want to log in. After you sign up and everything, they're going to send you an email and they want you to verify it. So you're going to go straight into your email to do some verification. So there it is. Welcome. Please activate your account. It says, hi, Andre. All right, this is my handle. And once you click on this, you can activate it. After you activate it, now you're into the dashboard, and you could see different brands, different stores, and things that you need to you can promote. As I said, you can promote or you can purchase through it, and you can also get rewards. So if you want to buy some things online, you can come on here and you can click on the link and you can shop through it, and then you can earn money. Or you can go right here where it says promote. So if you click on this to shop, you earn cash back. And if you click on this to promote, you also do that. And I'm going to be using this particular website a lot. So there's so many different options, so many different offers. There's Bluehost, there's BlockFi. I don't know what this is, but so many different things. There's Clear Chicago in all different areas, Everlast, tons of products. Now, what we're going to be doing, even in Hilton, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be targeting the Home Depot. So all you have to do is go to Home Depot, you click on this, and what you could do, you could just copy your referral link right there. Once you copy your referral link, all you have to do is copy this entire thing, which is your affiliate link. Let me see, promote to earn. So you don't need to, as I said, go through a lot of approval process, because some of these affiliate networks, they want you to show them how much influence that you have, how many people you could do. But this particular website make it super easy, so you can go out there and you can promote. You could promote this on Facebook or wherever there's going to be traffic. But we're going to go over to Instagram. So step number 3, we're going to go to Instagram. So you're going to copy this link right here. You're going to create an Instagram account fresh from the beginning, and then you want to head over to this particular website that is called pexels.com. So pexels.com, what I did, you can find a lot of videos, you can find photos, and this is all about woodworking. So these are copyrighted, royalty free, that you can go and you could just click on this one, and this is woodworking, but let's say we click on this one. So we could click on this. As you can see, it's a very nice video. So all you have to do is just click on over here where it says download. So once you download it, after you download it, now you're going to re-upload it onto your Instagram. So you're going to re-upload it onto your Instagram, onto the Instagram account that you're going to be creating. And all you have to do is you want to make sure that you put your affiliate link, put your link. So you want to sign up for a business account. So a business account, so you're able to put your affiliate link. Once you put your affiliate link there, all you have to do is just keep posting. So you can consistently post. You can post pictures or you could post videos. So even if you click on the photos, you can click on these photos, and all this is free royalty stuff that you could do. So that's step number 3. So you're consistently going to be posting, and you can go over to these particular Instagram page. You could copy stuff and you could re-upload it. If you do re-upload these pictures and videos, always give credit. Like, look at this person right here. This person re-upload, and they said video by Jerome. So this is Jerome's video. Jerome created it. He got it from Jerome. He gave credit to Jerome. And all he said was follow us at Woodwork Craft for more projects. We didn't we didn't want to distract you from the character of the grain, blah, 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 all these different things. Now, if you look down here, people are always commenting because a lot of people love woodworking. And guess what? Home Depot deals with a lot of tools. So Home Depot is the preferred choice. So when you go here, when you go to Home Depot, you could copy the link, and then all you have to do is promote it. You could promote different things. If you want to click on where it says more brands, I'm sure you'll find more things that you can offer down here, right? Stuff about housing. It doesn't have to just be woodwork, but let's say you build up the woodwork and later on you want to do, let's say you want to type in fencing. You could type in fencing, right? Not really fencing. So let's say woodwork and you want to type in outdoor activities. If you want to put woodworking and outdoor activities, not sure how well that will go, but you can see somebody out there doing their thing. But let's say, woodwork, you type in, so woodwork, woodworker, woodworking, woodworks, wood workshop. So these are some of the guys that are As I said, you could download photos, you can re-upload them, and you have to just consistently keep posting on Instagram. Consistently keep posting, and you could tell people to refer to your affiliate link. Like credit, look at this. Everything that's on here is not from this wood workshop. They're getting videos and pictures from different people. So awesome. What do you think about this? So you can find different woodwork if you type in woodwork. If you type in woodwork and you type in woodworking, you will see project, you will see tips, you will see art, you will see Japanese, ideas, design, classes, tools, custom, greens. So there's so much information that you can consistently re-upload, and then all you have to do is just give credit to the owners, and people will just automatically start going to your affiliate link. Of course, this is not something that's going to happen overnight, but you can get paid instantly into your PayPal account and start earning right away. So go out there, go crush it, go sign up for these things, and make sure you check out my first link in the description so I could send you over my #1 recommendation. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.